How to fix a sentence fragment. The easiest way to fix a sentence fragment is to add what's missing, whether a subject, predicate, direct object, independent clause, or any combination of those. After you identify what kind of sentence fragment you have from the list above, you can then add the necessary part. You okay? Are you okay? In case you didn't receive my first email. I'm rewriting you in case you didn't receive my first email. Everyone please bring to the party. Everyone please bring a dish to the party. Sometimes it's better to rethink the sentence so that it's naturally more complete. This could mean scrapping the entire fragment and starting over from scratch, or it could involve something minor, such as adding a punctuation mark. I love visiting my friend because he has the cutest puppy. I love visiting my friend because he has the cutest puppy. I love visiting my friend. He has the cutest puppy. If you are still uncertain, the third option is to use a grammar tool.